All right, you guys, today we're fixing our electric fans using J-B Weld epoxy. This is the good stuff. It's original epoxy. This is the stuff you trust. It bonds to almost anything. But now it comes in a syringe. Kind of cool. You don't have to worry about equal applications or equal mixes. You just squirt a little in this tray, mix it up with this, and go to fixing. I love this stuff because it's the original epoxy, the strongest, 5,000 PSI, sets in 4 to 6 hours, totally cures in 15 to 24 hours. Now, let's get to this repair. So check it out, it's some fans, right? Now you all know how these fans mount. Normally a rubber grommet sits right in here, but as you can tell, this little arm of it is broke. Not only is that arm broke, but the other piece that would hold that grommet tight, that sits up on top, it's shattered off as well. So it's a little complicated repair, a two-part, but this is the perfect stuff for it. So first, I need to address this crack. Then once that's done, I'll apply just a little bit on the surface of this piece that helps to kind of hold that grommet in place. And then finally, I'm gonna use a zip tie to help hold it tight because it's got a little bit of this flex to it. I'll put a little bit more here on the top and in this channel, and then while we wait for it to fully cure, we put the rubber grommet back in, and this is fixed and ready to go back in the vehicle. And the best thing about J-B Weld, you can paint it, sand it, drill it, or tap it. Doesn't matter. It's tight, it's tough, it's the world's strongest bond. It's J-B Weld.